I've been asked a question about the framing member and when you should use it, how you should use it. The question came up during one of my workshops where we were looking at the framing member in terms of creating decking and patios. And I was asked whether I actually use it in real projects. So this is a real project where I've used the framing member. And one of the beauties of the framing member is that it does give you the ability to create these joists really quickly, but also as a framing member object, you can then swap this as a standard piece of timber, but I can swap this from a standard piece of timber to a custom object like this one here. This is a custom profile. And so you can easily swap. This is how you do it. Here, we choose the beam type, and I'm going to choose custom profile. At the moment, it always goes to this plank. So I'm going to choose the one that I want. In this file, I've got some framing member types that I could use. I've got these I-beams. These are really cool. They're really light. They're very strong structurally. The person I love working for often uses these. These are posi struts. They're two pieces of wood held together with a piece of metal. Vectorworks won't make the exact shape of the metal, but it does a really good approximation of the structural size of it. So I can choose one of these profiles, select it, click OK, and you can see it's created that new piece of timber using the custom profile. And you can see the shape of the profile there. So you just select a framing member. We choose the structural use or the type. We're going to make that a custom profile. Let's go back to our custom profile down here. I'm going to choose again one of the ones that I like using. This time I'm going to choose, so this is 200 millimeters. This is 240, 300 millimeter. Let's choose that one. And you can see how quick it is to swap those framing member objects around. Now, in order to get the framing members in place, you can use the create joist command, which I covered in the workshop as well. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really does help other people to find these movies. It really does. But also think about becoming a member so that you get access to these longer movies, but also the workshop where people get to ask questions and I get to explain in detail what's going on. Thanks for watching.